Hello, I'm in a 2014 VW Routan, and today I'm going to show you how you would check in and add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then you've got a couple places to check. Here's your main reservoir you add to, and then this would lead to the top of your radiator. But in here's typically where you add to, so you just pop this open, and then straight from your diluted coolant jug with a funnel, perhaps you can pour in here till you get around the full mark. There's going to be a full mark down on the side, so don't fill it all the way to the top. There is supposed to be some air gap. But once you've topped it off, you also want to typically use the same type of coolant and color of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. You should kind of be able to see in there. But check a good online source or a good manual to make sure you've got the right coolant. But make sure you pop that closed once you're done. And anytime you work on the cooling system, make sure the vehicle's cooled down and turned off, just because this system works under pressure, so you don't want to risk a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you. I was just driving this, so I don't want to open this right now. But to open, you just push down and twist about twice, and it should pop right up, and you should see coolant right here. But you can add some more to it if you need, if it's getting low. Once that's all said, make sure you screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would run the vehicle for a few minutes to let that new coolant circulate through the system. And while it does that, I would check all around, see if there's any cracks or leaks, any puddles forming anywhere you can find around the engine bay or under the vehicle or around this radiator. If you do see liquid dripping under the car, way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation, as it should have a slight coloration to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your bare skin, but say you have a glove on and feel it. Coolant should feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope that's helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.